In this video, I am going to explain how to insert a table. For inserting a table, you have to click on the Insert tab. Then you will click on the Table option. You can drag these squares to create a table, or the second method is you can simply click on the Insert Table option in the list box. When you will click on it, it will ask you the number of rows and columns for a table. So I have defined the number of columns as 4 and number of rows as, okay, let it be 3. Then click on OK button. A table will be created in front of you. Now you can enter the data in each cell. Let it be roll number, name, class, age. Okay, now I'll fill the data in the cells. So for moving between the cells, you will make use of tab key. Tab key is used to move from one cell to another. Okay, in this way you will enter the data in the cells. You can also format the text by using the font group. So I have created this table. Now I will tell you how to insert or delete a row in a table. For inserting a row, you will select one row, then right click on it and select the option for insert. Now here you are having several options: insert columns to the left, insert column to the right, insert row above, or insert row below. So let's insert the row above. So it will create a row between second and third row. Now here we can enter the data. Okay, in this way. So now suppose I don't want any row to appear here. Suppose I want to delete this row. Again I will right click on it, select it, right click on it and select the option for delete row. The row will be deleted. In the similar way we can insert the column. Like if I want to insert the column here, I will right click on it and select the option for insert. Then again the same menu will appear whether you want to insert the column to the left or to the right. Suppose I want it on the left, the column will be inserted in this way. Now if I want to remove this column, you will again right click on it and select the option for delete column. The column will be deleted. Now I will tell you how to merge the cells. Merging means to join the cells. Okay, so for merging the cells, what you need to do is you need to select the cells, right? Then by right clicking on it, you will select the option for merge cells. The cells will be combined in this way. Now if you want to split the cells, you will click on the split cell option. Now it will ask you in how many columns you want to split the cells. So I want to split it into 2 columns and number of row will remain 1. Click on it, then it will display you like this. Then another thing is how to split the tables. Now for splitting the table, you have to select the row from where the table is to be splitted. Now I want this row to be the first row of another table. Okay, for this you will go to the layout tab. Under merge group you have split table option. Click on it. The table will be divided from that particular location.